Alright, today we're going to be talking about ROI, return on investment. It's extremely important to advertisers because we are such a trackable marketing method. They can see the number of people coming in the doors, holding their text messages out. It's important to understand this concept and be able to explain it to an advertiser or potential client, how well our service works and how well it's going to perform for them. You know, if they have a choice in allocating advertising dollars with us or somebody else, we want to show that we have a stronger position. So, we're going to start off by asking them a couple questions. You know, number one, average ticket size. You know, how big of a list do you think we can get built? You know, typical redemption rates on a broadcast. So say if we can build an advertiser to around 1,000 people on a list. And this isn't hard to do, especially after 2 or 3 months with a loyalty kiosk. And on average, you know, we'll even go on the low end. I always like to under-promise and over-deliver. So if we hit a 4 to a 5% redemption rate, every week we're going to drive 40 to 50 people through the doors of that business. Now, it may be higher, you know, say it's a coffee stand, people need coffee pretty much every day. You know, if it's an auto dealer, most people don't buy or get their oil changed every day. So it's going to vary based on the advertiser, but this is a good number to start with. So 40 to 50 people, if they've got an average ticket size of, say, $10, every customer walking in the door is worth about $10 in revenue to them. If we take the food cost out of that, it's usually about 30%, we're left with around a $7 incremental profit. That means if one more person walks in the door, they are worth $7 in the till that day. All right, so if we're driving 40 to 50 people in every week, that's $400 to $500 in additional revenue. And if we do on the profit, we're looking anywhere from $280 to $350 in profit. Now, a lot of business owners, you know, do some funny math. Oh, I only make 5 cents on the dollar and all that. We're talking about incremental revenue and incremental profit here. So that's important to know. You know, your lights are going to be on, the wait staff's going to be there, the guy in the back washing dishes, he's going to be paid regardless of 100 people walk in or one person walks in. All right, so that's a weekly basis. In a month's time, we're going to be driving anywhere from $1,120 to $1,400 in profit. So if you take that and your package costs $499, say $500, you're going to be anywhere from doubling to nearly tripling somebody's return on investment. I guarantee you no stock market in the world can do that. There's a bigger picture here. We're not only driving incremental revenue, we're also about generating customer loyalty, bringing customers in for 1 or 2 additional visits during a normal sales cycle. If we can do that, we will lift that customer's business beyond anything else that I've ever seen. So on an annual level, all those little $40 and $50 week or 40 and 50 weekly visits accumulate into a lot bigger thing. You know, so if we're driving 1,000 people in a week, or excuse me, we've got 1,000 people on the list, and we're sending them 52 weekly broadcasts. We're going to send 5,200 text messages, 52,000, excuse me. We're going to drive, well, 40 times 52 is right around 2,000, and then 50 times 50 is about 2,500. If we use the same figures there, we're going to drive anywhere from $14,000 to half again of that, you know, around $17,000 on a product. And even with a loyalty kiosk, you're looking around a $6,500 spend. So, Mr. Business Owner, you're going to spend around $6,500 a year with me, of which I'm going to give you back $14,000 to $17,000. Now, if I put more money in your till at the end of the year than I took out of it, am I worth doing business with? So that's the lesson for the day. Return on investment. It's just all about proving it, going through the numbers, generating that average ticket size, expected list growth throughout the year, and I think you can deliver a pretty strong ROI. Happy selling.